Diamond Smile is a teeth whitening kit that was developed by a team of dental health professionals who understands the importance of the first impression our teeth make in people. This device is easy to use, tray-shaped with LED blue lights attached to the interior, which gives your teeth a whitening luster and your face an alluring smile. In this Diamond Smile, I will discuss everything about this product so that you can make your buying decision wisely. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. Features. Envelops you in warm steam and spray. Easy installation, easy maintenance. Eco-friendly, laser-cut water holes resulting. Ionic mineral biostones. Solid and beautiful design. Facts about Diamond Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. Uses innovative LED light technology. You must have heard of LED lights, but do you know about their therapeutic uses? LED lights are lightweight halogen-containing lights that are very energy-conserving and therefore do not overheat. This is because they contain an internal cooling system. Diamond Smile was developed based on the principle of this LED light technology. And because the LED is lightweight, it makes it portable and convenient for use. The kit contains 2 trays. The teeth whitening kit comes with 2 trays. The reason for the second one is just to serve as a backup, which makes the kit last longer before you need a new one. 10 vials of 10 ml whitening gel. There are agents called whitening pastes gels in dentistry. These are not the regular toothpaste we use in brushing our teeth. The toothpaste we know can only help in the removal of surface stains, but the whitening toothpaste, which helps in teeth lightening, contains things like low concentrations of hydrogen peroxide, carbamide peroxide, and peroxide of urea, which are potent bleaching substances that penetrates the core of our teeth to bring out its luster. Comes with a professional teeth shade guide. Yes. The Diamond Smile kit comes with its own teeth shades guide, which you can use to compare with yours using a mirror or by taking pictures of your teeth. This will serve as a guide in checking your progress so far. Runs on rechargeable battery. Even if you live in the third world regions of the world where electricity and power supply is a challenge, you can still enjoy the benefits of Diamond Smile, which comes with an additional rechargeable battery that makes it hassle-free to use in areas of low power supply. Comes with iPhone, Android, any USB interface. This makes it very easy and convenient to connect your Android and iPhone devices to your Diamond Smile kit. How to use the Diamond Smile. You do not need any special knowledge to use the teeth whitening kit. Follow the steps below to use the kit. Gently open the packet containing the kit, find a light source, and use the USB cord to charge the tray. Gently apply the whitening gel to your teeth to cover mainly the affected areas. Fix the tray into your mouth to cover your 32 teeth. The whitening system is immediately activated and starts working immediately after you put it on the tray. Gently remove the tray and wash it with soap and clean water in preparation for the next use. Benefits of using Diamond Smile. It is very easy to use and convenient. It is true that the regular teeth whitening sessions and teeth treatment we receive at the dentist's office are quite impressive, although a lot of people find it to be very expensive, inconvenient, and time-wasting, especially in very busy cities of the world. Effective and affordable. You know how much you spend on your routine visits to your dentists per visit. This cannot be compared with the cost-effectiveness this teeth whitening kit offers. It is very safe. The paradox about Diamond Smile is that it was approved by a team of professional dentists who took the time to carry out research on the potency and safety of the Diamond Smile kit by analyzing the results of its use after 3 applications and 6 applications respectively, and taking the pictures of the participants before and after they started applying it. It is fast-acting. You will start seeing positive results within 3 days of using a radiant smile. But it is required that you use it for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. But a better result will be seen after 6 or more days of constant usage. Conclusion. There are many products that claim to serve the purpose of teeth whitening. They may come in the form of toothpaste, liquids, powders, over-the-counter medications, etc., which are not only ineffective but predispose one to risks of dental damage and allergy. Also, the routine visits we make to the dentists for teeth whitening are quite expensive. But this does not mean that Diamond Smile should replace your visits to your dentists for checkups, but even our dentists did license this product for use as a teeth whitener. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the Diamond Smile, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.